Hello, in the last video we went over standard form of a parabola, and in this video we are going to go over something called intercept form or factored form. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Here is what we mean by intercept form or factored form. We're still going to have an A on the outside, but we are going to have two groups of parentheses, typically two, but could be more, or could be less if it's the same one. So we're going to have an X minus an M and an X minus an N. Now, what the heck are we looking at here? Well, A is still going to be our stretch. And then these in factored form, those are going to give us the y-intercepts. Now, I want us to be very careful here. Let's say y is equal to, we will say 2. And let's go with this. Let's go with x minus 1 and x plus 3. Now, looking at this, let's look at what our x-intercepts are. Our x-intercepts here are 1, positive 1, and negative 3. Well, where is this coming from? Well, remember, inside parentheses, minus 1, that translates to a move that is right 1. So we have gone right 1. That is one of our x-intercepts. And then over here, x plus 3, negative 3, that would be our second x-intercept. Now, don't forget that that 2 on the outside, that A, that gives us our vertical stretch. If we are looking at our vertex, we are going up 2, up 2. So let's look at a few example problems here. It says, which equation best matches the graph shown below? So here is what I notice. I notice that we have two x-intercepts. We have one at 7, we have one at 9. So we have one at 7 and one at 9. Now, if I want to say that we have an x-intercept of positive 7, it's going to be x minus 7 inside of my parentheses. And if I want to say that we have an x-intercept of positive 9, well, that will be x minus 9, x minus 9 right here. Now, I do notice one more thing about the graph. I don't exactly know the A value. It's kind of hard to see exactly how far down and over we went, but I do know that it is going to be negative. So let's look at our options down below. So first off, those are positive. That's not going to work out. These are negative. These are looking good. And negative 7, negative 9, that is a x-intercept of positive 7 and positive 9. This will be my solution. Let's do one more together. Next problem. All right. Which equation best matches the graph shown below? Well, I know this is going to be positive, and I have negative 8 and negative 3 as my x-intercepts. Now remember, a negative will be a plus inside those parentheses. So I want something that's positive, and then I need an x plus a 3 and an x plus an 8. Well, sure enough, looking down here, it looks like this one works out. We have a positive a value, x plus 3, x plus 8. Those match up. All right, so you should be ready to attempt the intercept form coefficients.